Today we are going to learn grammar from lesson 6, Finding the Toothbrush. Children, grammar can be pretty scary at times, but please remember, grammar can become very easy with a little more practice every time. The more practice you do, the more less scary grammar will become. So don't be afraid of grammar because all you have to do is do a little more practice every time. In today's class, we are going to learn how to use present perfect tense in English language. Now this is very simple. It is not at all hard as it sounds. Trust me. The present perfect tense. How do we form the present perfect tense? Now, there are three ways of forming the present perfect tense. One is affirmative, means positive. This can be formed by using this formula. Subject plus have plus past participle plus object. Children, you know what a subject is, right? Subject is the person or the noun which is doing something. Whoever is doing the action. Plus have, you know the helping verb have. Plus past participle. Now past participle is nothing but the verb. We all know that verb are the action words. Now these actions which has been done in the past, means whichever is over, they become the past participle. Plus object. Object is something on which the action is being done. Subject is something which is doing the action and object is something which action has been done. So, don't get confused here. Here's an example for you. I have cooked dinner. Now in this sentence, I is the subject, have cooked is the past participle, dinner is the object. I have cooked dinner is an affirmative sentence. How do you conjugate the present perfect affirmative sentences? Look at this table. It is very simple and easy to understand. If you can remember this table, it is as simple as that. Look, I have seen the film. You have seen the film. He or she has seen the film. We have seen the film. They have seen the film. Now, whenever you are using I, you, we or they, we have to use have with them. Suppose we are talking about a third person. It is not I or it is not you. It is a third person or with a name. Then we have to use has. So, it is very simple to remember this way. I, you, we, they. With these subjects, we have to use have. He and she must be used with has. How do we form the present perfect negative? Negative means something with which we have to use the word not. Subject plus have plus not plus past participle plus object. Now this is the formula for using present perfect negative sentence. Let us look into another example. John has not fixed the sink. Now in this sentence, we want to tell that John did not fix the sink. So how will you say it? John has not fixed the sink. Why are we saying John have? Why are we not saying John have? Because John, the word John is third person. It is not I, it is not you. It is John. So we are using has. John has not fixed the sink. The word fixed is the verb, or also called as the past participle. Now, how do you conjugate the present perfect negative? I have not seen the film. You have not seen the film. He has not seen the film. She has not seen the film. We have not seen the film. They have not seen the film. Students, we can contract the negative form of the auxiliary verb have. Instead of have, we can use haven't. I haven't seen the film. You haven't seen the film. He hasn't seen the film. She hasn't seen the film. We haven't seen the film. They haven't seen the film. How do we form the present perfect interrogative? Interrogative means using the question form. The rule is have plus subject plus past participle plus object. Did you notice that have has come in the beginning of the sentence? So the example is, have you visited New York? Have I seen the film? Have you seen the film? Has she seen the film? Or has he seen the film? Have we seen the film? Have they seen the film? Here in this sentence, it is an interrogation or it is a question form. So, have or has must come in the beginning of the sentence. Here is a compact rules for you. Present perfect tense in the positive sentence, S plus have or has plus past participle. Here is the rules for you. You have to by heart them with these examples to remember them in your future practice. Okay. So for negative, it is subject plus have not or haven't, has not or hasn't plus past participle. And in the interrogative sense or in the question sense, it is have or has plus subject plus past participle with a question mark. Example, have you tried sushi? So sushi is a Chinese dish, okay, for your information. Let us look at the grammar part in your textbook now. Read these sentences. I have found the toothbrush. George has packed the hamper. The words in the bold are in the present perfect tense. We use this tense to talk about actions that are completed just now or actions in the past that have changed the present. Means something has been done in the past, but whatever that action has happened in the past, it is affecting now also. Means the action is going on. The present perfect tense is also used to talk about something that started in the past and is still going on, like I told you. Harris had lived in London for 3 years. Harris has lived in London for 3 years. That means he has been living in London for 3 years and he continues to live there. Even now he is living there. We have always traveled together. Means in the past also we traveled together. Now also we are traveling together. This is the assignment for you collected from your textbook. Please try it out. And a worksheet for you. in which you have to complete these 16 sentences to score your knowledge of present perfect grammar. It's a quiz, so try it out. Okay, children? Thank you.